Hello! So it has been a really long time since I pulled out this camera, probably a year. So I'm going to Disney World tomorrow and I thought I'd take you along with me because I know it's really different than it used to be and I'm really excited, and I think it'll be good to share some tips if you plan on going to Disney. So I'm going to take you along with me and see how it's going to be this time. So right now I'm still getting my stuff together. I have my suitcase pretty much packed and I'm just working on packing my park bag and bathroom bag, things like that. I know I'm going to pack a pair of leggings, maybe a cardigan, just in case it gets chilly. It is, wait, what is today? Oh, it's February. No, it's September. Yeah, it's September 24th, I believe. Let me see. No, September 23rd today. And we are leaving on the 24th. We're leaving after work, so about 1 o'clock tomorrow. And yeah, I'm just getting some last minute things together and I will show you what I have in my park bag. So I'm bringing this pink backpack. It has my little initial on it. So all I have is this little Kate Spade bag. It has my portable chargers and cords and things like that in there. And then my camera, which I'm really excited to bring this time because I didn't bring it last time. My other lens, which is in a Yoda sock. Love that. Camera chargers, cords, things like that. Then in the small pocket, I just have some makeup wipes, some mints, things like that. Just little essentials. Oh, and the main thing, some masks. I have like a lot more masks to bring, not just these, because I know it's going to be super sweaty and probably really gross. Actually, I doubt it'll be really sweaty because it's starting to get colder now, so that's always good. Oh, and my wallet. But that's pretty much all I'm putting in my park bag because I don't need to pack a lot. So, oh, and my water bottle. But that's pretty much it. So I'm going to pack all of the rest of this stuff and put some leggings in my bag, pack my bathroom bag, things like that. And I thought I would mention, I haven't been to Disney since January. I went in December of 2018, but that was the only trip that I've ever vlogged. I went January of 2020, and that was before all the COVID stuff had happened. So I'm really excited to go this time and vlog because I really regret not vlogging in January just because I really wanted to, but I didn't. I don't know why. I regret it, especially because I flew, and that was my first time to ever fly to Disney, so that was really fun. So this time I'm gonna vlog. I'm trying my hardest not to care what people think, so that's what's happening. So see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is 12:30. I just got home from work a little later than I was wanting to, but we're packing up, getting ready to go. I'm wearing my Target Let There Be Love Disney sweatshirt, some Nike shorts. I was gonna wear the pants that go with this, but it's too hot. We just made it to Pop Century. It feels so good to stretch my legs. Oh my god, I'm so happy. But we just made it. It's almost 1 o'clock. So we're about to go check in. Say hi. Hi.
I'm smiling.
Under the mask. Take the mask out just to smell for a second. Smells like pizza. Aww. That is the best smell. I'm so happy. Waving at everybody. So we just got in our room and it's super cute. And it's the refurbished Pop Century rooms. Sorry about all our stuff everywhere. But this bed pulls down into a double bed or a queen. I think it's a queen. And then we have this nice bathroom, sanitizing because COVID. But yeah, super nice. And I think we're about to shower and go to bed because we have to get up early to go to Epcot. Good morning. It is September 25th and we are on our way to Epcot. Thing's fogging up, hang on. Okay, I don't know if that worked, but we're on our way to take the Skyliner to go somewhere. Oh, I wanted the Pooh. And which one are we gonna get? I hope the Winnie the Pooh one because that one's really cute. Are you excited? Yes. Yeah. We've been waiting in line for like 45 minutes in the heat. It's hot. So now we are in Hollywood Studios because we got off the Skyliner to like transfer to the one to Epcot, and they were like, oh, you can't board the Skyliner until like 10:30 and it's only like 9 o'clock. So we're like, hey, we're not doing that. So we got off at Caribbean Beach and took a bus to Hollywood Studios, and we're gonna walk to the boardwalk, hang out there until Epcot opens, and then go to Epcot. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to find our friend Anita at Epcot. We ran into our friend, oh no, not at Epcot. We're gonna find our friend Anita at the boardwalk because earlier we ran into our friend Lorenzo who used to work there, and we talked to him for a little bit, and now we're gonna go try to find Anita. So we're on our way to boardwalk right now. So I'm vlogging on my phone because as soon as we get to the boardwalk this morning, I go to take the first video and it's like memory card full. So I haven't been vlogging, but I'm gonna try to do it on my phone now because we've looked everywhere in Epcot and they don't sell SD cards. So that's the problem. So hopefully tomorrow I'll vlog on my camera, but for now, iPhone. Good morning from Magic Kingdom. We just made it. It's 8 o'clock, well, a little after 8, and they open at 9. So I'm so excited to see the new castle. So we saw it from the road and I'm like freaking out. So I'm so excited. But we're about to go through temperature screening and security, and yeah, I'll show you that. I'm planning on vlogging today. Yesterday sucked because I didn't have storage on my camera, but last night I deleted a bunch of stuff that I didn't need. So I'm vlogging today. Thank you.
Have a great day. Good morning. Have a wonderful day. Hello. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Temperature screening is very easy. All you do is walk through, and same with bag check. They don't even do bag check anymore. It's just security, which is such a time saver. I hope not either. Okay, bag check was a little more difficult than I thought. The thing like beeped like 3 times because I had my camera in there in my bag and I didn't really like think about it. The security guard's like, you need to go get a coffee like right now. I'm like, you know what, you're right. Yeah. Oh my god, the fall stuff. Oh my god, it feels so weird being here. We just got in line for Mine Train. It says it's a 5-minute wait. I don't even think it's gonna be that. Like, it looks like there's nobody, so. Be our guest because we want to see if we can have breakfast. It's 3 minutes till 9. Park technically opens at 9, so hopefully someone will be out here because I really want their breakfast. So we're actually not going to eat at Be Our Guest. No one came out. It's 9 o'clock. So I think we're going to maybe go to Gaston's or have breakfast somewhere else. Not really sure yet, but look at that beauty behind me. I like your costume. Bye, Tigger. So we just saw Destin's old roommate. She used to work here at Hollywood Studios at Backlot Express. Her old roommate works at like different locations in Magic Kingdom. So we just said hello to her, and we are gonna have lunch at Be Our Guest. So they open at 12 and it's like 11:40. So we have a few more minutes, but I'm so excited. The turkey sandwich at Be Our Guest is like something you crave all the time. So I'm really excited to have that because earlier we wanted breakfast, but they weren't open for that. But we had Starbucks and it was okay, it was good. So I'm really excited to have something really good. I feel like I look so weird with the glasses and the mask. But everything's so pretty. I think the capacity is like higher. So it's like a little bit crowded. The Mine Train line was wrapped around like all the way around to like Little Mermaid, but everyone was 6 feet apart. But luckily we had a fast pass because I did not want to wait in that line. But we got in line for the Voyage of the Little Mermaid and it was wrapped around into the queue for Ariel's grotto. We stood in line for about 10 minutes and we're like, okay, no, because we were in the sun. That was not fun. But we're about to go wait for Be Our Guest. Okay, another change of plans. We're not eating at Be Our Guest. The guy in line behind us told us that it's changed. It's like a 3 or 4 course meal and it's like $65 a person. We're not gonna do that for lunch. So, change plans. We're in line for Haunted Mansion. The line queue is really weird now. When you enter it, there's another entrance that goes down towards kind of like you're going on to the Liberty Bell. And then it wraps all the way around and then you're in the line. Is that Rapunzel's tower? No. No, that's a lamp. Oh wait, it is actually behind it. But yeah, we're in line now. It was only like a 20-minute wait, I think, but I doubt it's even gonna be that long. So we just got off of Splash Mountain the wait times are more than they actually are. It said 85 minutes on the sign, but it was really only like 25 minutes. But the people in front of us snuck over into the fast pass line, and yeah, that's just, why do people have to do that? They were only like 5 minutes ahead of us, so I don't know why people do that. And there's a bunch of people staring at me, so I'm turning this off. It's good to be back. It's good to be shared. This is part of the drill. This is true, really know. It's the thing that we do. And to you, we best. It's the one we do best. It's good to be back. It's good to be back. It's good to be the one to make the rocket so mad. It's the smells really good and the suits are so good. I love how they come through and do those parades just because they can't have any like festival fantasy or anything, which I don't really understand why they can't if they can do stuff like this, but it's just a little extra something. I think we're headed to Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. We already did it once today, but we're gonna do it again because I figured out a trick. So hopefully I can get Galactic Hero, but I'm really not thinking I will because I never do good at that game. But we'll see. I think the last floor is open. We came earlier and it wasn't open, but there's no wait time or anything, but people are going in. I don't know. Fingers crossed, because this is my favorite thing to do here. Never mind a Space Ranger spin, but still fun. I don't think I'll ever get that.
Missing someone